Good morning.
Brown skin girl with the highway shorts. Yeah, with her makeup on, pressing on the triggers. Say they wanna ride them.
Good morning. I haven't vlogged in ages. I'm trying to think last time I vlogged. I think that was like when I went to Nigeria. That was like in March. So welcome back to myself and to you guys. So it's been, oh my gosh, it's been crazy. I did do like a chit chat life update, and I did like another little let's talk kind of video. So I have like chatted with you guys, you know, in between the last vlogs and stuff like that, and then putting out videos, but I haven't vlogged, like real vlogs. So it's been just crazy, this pandemic, you know, work, business. My business has grown so much during this pandemic, and you know, working 2 jobs, just a lot of things going on. So you guys remember, if you watched my video, my life update video, I got a job in Kentucky, doing like crisis relief jobs for the pandemic for pharmacists. So we want to continue working there, so we have to get permanent licenses. We were working with temporary ones, and then they all expired at the end of June. So we took our exam, we passed it. Now we're just processing our papers to get our permanent license in Kentucky, so we can, you know, continue working there. So it's been really crazy. That's why my videos have been like just scanty, like not there at all. I was supposed to turn like 5 years ago. Yeah, my video's been just like, you know, not as much as I was before because it's been really busy, but I kind of had to just like figure out my game plan for my channel on like posting videos, getting content out, and I just realized that right now I don't have the luxury of time to be like carving out time to be sitting down and doing like a sit down any type of video, or like, you know, any type of special video or this and that. So right now, for now, I'll just be doing vlogs, and any stuff that I wanted to like do a regular like sit down video, you know, or any type of dedicated video for, I just have to throw it in the vlog and just talk about it there, or mention it, or whatever I wanted to do. So the plan now is just to be doing vlogs, and I know you guys love the vlogs, so hopefully it's a win-win for everybody. And let me know below if that's okay for me to do just vlogs of random stuff. It'll literally be random vlogs, random stuff, what I'm doing throughout the day, chatty videos, just a bunch of just you're going the wrong way, just a bunch of just stuff. And I know you guys like the vlogs, as I said before, but just let me know if that's okay. And try to bring out my sunglasses because it's so bright in my eyes. So yeah, so I'll just be doing vlogs from here for some time, you know, until further notice. That's the best I could say, until further notice. So yeah, so right now I'm running errands. There's a lot I gotta do today. Oh my gosh, totally forgot about that too. A lot I have to do today. So let me go drop these off at the UPS store. Am I parked? I need lotion on my hands. My hands are so dry. It's a beautiful day. Actually, I didn't need to turn my car off. I can drop these off. Oh my gosh, I just moved. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so those 2 boxes that, well, I forgot this one is FedEx, so I have to go to FedEx to drop that off. Totally forgot, but the other one was UPS. So yeah, so those 2 boxes, my gosh. So when I dropped that box off, I was like, put my hands on it. I said a little prayer, because that box is going to a very important destination. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so please send those boxes well wishes for me, please, 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 please send those boxes well wishes. Going to very important places. They have our IGBO items in there, our faves, our celebrity faves that you guys all know very, very well are going to be requested for the boxes, requested for the items for my store, and sending them now. So I'm so nervous, I'm so scared, I'm like excited. It's like, it's a lot. Like that box, nah. Whew, it's crazy, but we thank God. So yeah, so please send well wishes and prayers to those boxes, that they reach a destination intact, on time, and received happily and well. Come on, people. Okay. So yeah, so as I said, that one, the other one was FedEx, so I have to go to FedEx, drop that off, and then I ordered Panera for lunch, so I gotta pick that up. Gotta get a money order. We just put in like closet shelves in our closet in our master bedroom, so I need to buy some new hangers and stuff, and then get that organized. It's literally been the same exact way I dumped it when we moved in last year in September, 2 weeks before I had Cam. So it's still like not organized how I need it. So I've been living like that for like almost a year now. So finally we got our organizers, so I can't wait to like just put my clothes organized and just out of the way, and just like I can be able to see everything. So yeah, whew. I'm hungry. Like I have a headache coming on, and it's like when I go like this, like it makes me so dizzy, but I'm so hungry. Ooh. Yeah, so I gotta do that. Gotta go to the grocery store, gotta get some food. I needed to get Cam some new PJs. Ooh, oh, okay, all right. Just go, it's fine. I need to get Cam some new PJs because he's growing out of the ones he has so fast. And then like I don't overbuy clothes for him, because I kind of don't see the point of like having too much clothes for kids that grow so fast. So I literally just have just enough PJs for each night of the week, and like 2 extra just in case they get wet, you know. I have an extra without having to, you know, do laundry again in the middle of the week to like get more PJs. But now that he's grown out of it, I have no PJs. So I need to get some new PJs for him, either at Meijer or go to TJ Maxx. So hopefully I can find something there. And then later on, Chris and I will have to come back out and go to Menards so we can get this shelving for the closet system that we put in, because we just got the brackets and the frame just to put up, and then as we see it now, then we'll know, okay, maybe I need these shelves, this rack, this stuff. So we'll probably do that later today when Chris gets off work. So yeah, I'm excited for organized spaces. Oof. And it's like a beautiful day. It's 78 degrees outside. Life is good. Not even just good, but life is good. Yeah. All right, so I am going to go into FedEx. It's so easy to miss the FedEx. It's in the next plaza. So if you haven't seen, we have new, and it's like one of the things where it's like every single time I have like a new release of like patterns and items for the store for Nkoma, like it's always at such a crazy time that I never have time to make like a nice detailed sit down video just showing you guys, you know, trying things on, showing you new prints, all of that. Like I never have time to do that. Who's that? I don't know. I never have time to do that. So hopefully I can do that in this vlog. when I get a chance. I also wanted to do like an IG video for it. It's just like, in theory, yeah, we want to do all this stuff, but it's like so much to do, so little time. And then I trying to hire an assistant, and I found one that I'm trying out. So hopefully like it'll work out and it'll be good, and then I can just be more productive and can be more productive and stuff, and just have more time for things. So we will see how that goes. All right, FedEx, let's go. Are you looking at me or are you not? Like, okay. Parked. That food smells so good. I don't know what food that is. It's sababa, Mediterranean girl, because nothing on food is here. All right. I feel like a headache coming on. You gonna eat? That food smells good. All right, so drop that off at FedEx. The second important package is somebody else, one of our faves, one of our TV faves. And I know you guys know them very, 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 very well. One of our TV faves. So that's that. All right, well wishes to you packages. All right, now that that's done, traffic. It's like literally lunchtime, so everybody and their grandma's out looking for lunch. The Chick-fil-A line is always like wrapped around the building twice. And I forgot to put on a mask when I went into FedEx, but luckily I was just like literally dropping it on the table and like coming out, because I already have labels already printed and everything, so I don't have to wait for them to like give me a receipt. So it wasn't until I was in and I dropped the box that I remember, like, oh, I don't have a mask on. I was like, get out of here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to, where am I gonna go next? I have to go pick up robes. Where's my phone at? Let me go from here. I have robes that were printed. Is there anybody behind me? There is. EJs, quite a few of them. Yeah, since like wedding season is kind of down right now, I don't have as much of like name printing for robes and stuff. I do a lot of those for bridal parties, but I still am getting a good number for people that just want it for themselves personally. But usually I get a lot of like parties, like 10, 8, you know, like at a time, and then many weddings at a time. So it's kind of died down. A lot of wedding stuff that I've done, that I've been doing for people, or like, you know, plan to do, has died down like so much during this time. So oh my gosh, like I'm so hungry. Oh, my face. Ugh. I should have just went to get my sandwich, because it's all right. Good morning. Cam, say good morning. Cam? He says good morning. Cam, say good morning. Stop biting your fingers. Cam, say good morning. Cam, say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning to my baby. Yeah. Can you see yourself? Is that a Cammy baby? So today's Tuesday. I worked all weekend up in Northeast Ohio, so I'm off until, I don't even know my schedule. Yeah, so today's Tuesday. It's a typical work day. Gotta get things done. I just washed a new wig that I'll be wearing. It's hanging to dry right there. It's like a, I guess a deep curly. I forget. It's like a deep curly wig. So, where is it? Not wet. yeah, so deep curly wig. I have no box to put my camera in the bathroom, so it's gonna go on the counter. But this is my hair for the day. Typical Ify, kinky straight as always. Nothing fails. Let me put it so you can see how I put it on. Cam. Wear this, or do I wear a bonnet? Actually, I feel like I want to wear a bonnet. It's a little too early for a wig today. Cam. Oh! Sit down right here. Between my legs. Cam. Okay, let me just put on a bonnet because I'm just like doing the most this morning. Cam? Better not hurt yourself over there. Oh, that was the other side. Hopefully you don't see the camera. Get out! Cam, you're gonna break this thing. Get out. Of course. Big earthquake. I think I slept on my arm like weird 2 nights ago, so my arm has been hurting. But yeah, speaking of bonnets, there's bonnets on the site now. I mean, it's been on there for some weeks now since the restock. But there's bonnets on there, and it's the most amount of bonnets that we've had on the site at a time. So you should be able to find something that you like. So yeah, so bonnet is on for the day. I washed my face, I brushed my teeth. Trying to go downstairs. Oh, I was supposed to, oh man, I was so tired last night. I was supposed to actually schedule a massage today. Massage, facial, stop. A massage, facial, and all that jazz today. So I'm actually gonna do that. Last night, and I definitely like just passed out. So I need to do that now. And I have a massage envy. Oh, Inky just called me. I have a massage envy membership. So that's where I do all my stuff. Okay, let me call Inky back. Ooh, so much. Oh. So I have like sales goals for the day, like a dollar amount for like per day, like for my store. So I always try to make sure that I hit that goal every day. So far, Cam, don't touch it. So this morning, I'm looking through like all the orders that people have placed since midnight, from midnight till now. So I think some days, like before I even wake up in the morning and check on my phone, I've already hit my sales goal for the day. So those are always good days. Are you serious? No. Okay, about to say. Whew. Okay, so I am, let's see, my sales goal for the day, I'm actually, let's see, I'm $79 away from my sales goal for the day. So depending on what people order, that could be 1 sale left for the day, like as my goal, or 2. But it's only 9 a.m. so definitely I will overpass my goal for the day, which is good. But yeah, some days when I wake up in the morning, I already hit my sales goal, and those are great days. So yeah, so we will see how long it takes to hit goal $79. Actually, it could be anything, because someone could just order like a bonnet and it's $19, and then I cut. Or someone can order, oh, this is your favorite, Cam. Or someone could just order one order and just be like the day. So yeah, so I'm trying to call Nky back because she just called me on FaceTime. I want a massage, I want rapid tension relief, and I want a facial. And I'll do a customized facial. I feel like I'm just so highly distracted these days. Like, you'll be doing one thing and then the next minute something distracted you, and then you go off on a tangent. And it's just like, let's come back. All right, so what I was saying, so what I do, like usually in the first thing in the morning, I process all the orders that have been coming in since the last time I processed orders. And usually I process orders all throughout the day, but so the last night, when did I start processing orders last night? Maybe around like 6:30, 7 o'clock-ish. I think I stopped processing orders. And then, so I gotta do all the orders from then until now. So that's the first thing I do. So I just process them, ship all the labels, print all the labels, and then just have them in a stack. And then if I have time, I can start doing them right away. Or if I wait until Cam goes for a nap, then I'll start doing them. So, all right, so today's Tuesday, so I'm gonna just write orders. I need to pay some bills. I think I need to cook today. I need to cook. And I need to set the schedule for my assistant. I finally did hire an assistant last week, so I need to set her what she needs to do today. So I have those ads, and I have someone that does all my ads for me, my marketing manager. So he just put that one up, so I think we're good with that. Actually, I need to schedule my email marketing. Yeah, so I do my email marketing myself. My guy that does my marketing, he will start doing my email marketing, but for now I'll just do it myself. But I need to set it for the weekend coming up, because I need to do that. And then what else? Yes, boxes for NK. Yeah, because Nky's launching her stuff soon, so we're just trying to get materials for packaging. So I need to finalize. Actually, we did find a box manufacturer that we'll be working with. So I just need to, well, I already sent her the stuff. We just need to get just a couple. Oh, I need to do that too. Finalize those. Okay. Okay, did that. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. And then this wig, I washed it already, just waiting for it to dry. Oh, I didn't show you guys the closet. So that's my to-do list for the day. Okay, so we just got, I don't know if you guys remember, I'll try to see if I can find the footage from when we did like an empty house tour when we just moved in. But our closet was just like a basic, like the basic closet build, you know what I mean? Like the, whatever, the standard closet stuff. So we just got a closet system. I found some really nice ones at Menards. So we just installed it, and we had someone from TaskRabbit come and install it. So it's so good. Okay, let me show you guys. So this is the closet. So we still have to finish putting up like the shelves up there. And then I have to do that on my side too, but this is generally how it's looking. This is Chris's side. And there's so much more. Like, look at all the extra room. Like, we have so much more room now. Look at that. And this is my side. So look at all my extra room I have. I haven't even filled up like all those spaces right here. This is my side. Got my bags up there. And I gotta put my shelves up there. Those are all my robes. I kind of color coded them in rainbow. These are all my robes. And then I have so much space like down there and stuff like that. And then this sewing bag, I have to find a place to put it because it's actually taller than the space up there. So I might have to just keep it like down here for now. But yeah, but this is our closet. It's so much more organized, much more space. Much more space. I love it. So yeah, because like when we moved in, we're trying to figure out like, should we do like an IKEA, put IKEA stuff in there? Like, what should we do to organize? You know, and then, you know, we had the baby, got busy, coronavirus. So now I was like, okay, it's about to be a year since we moved in here. I still have half my clothes still packed from when we moved. So we need to just get this closet together. So when I went to Menards, I saw they had so many closet systems that are very good priced. So we picked one. And this one that we got is so sturdy, so like good quality, very good pricing for a closet system. So we got that, and then at first I was trying to see if I should get like a builder to come and put it in, and then he came in here and did us a quote, and there's a couple other things around the house that, you know, we needed to do, and he quoted us. But the quote that he gave us, it was like hundreds of dollars. I was just like, I don't know, because it was like, I know that the reason why I wanted to have someone, like, we could have done it, but I wanted to make sure that someone installs it correctly within the studs that's supposed to be there, because it's going to be like a pretty full closet system, pretty heavy. So I don't want us to install it wrong and then it falls apart. So I said, actually, let me find someone on TaskRabbit. I know it'll be cheaper, you know what I mean? So I found someone on TaskRabbit. It was so much more cheaper, like half the price of what this guy quoted us. And the guy, people on TaskRabbit just based on hours, you know, they have like a rate per hour. So this guy installed it so quick. It was so, I was just like, should have done this so much sooner. But it's good, it's perfect, I love it. So just a little bit more finishing touches and then we're done with that. So Cam, okay, I'm gonna go downstairs so he can go play in his other toys, and then I can start doing orders. All right, so Cam is actually still napping. It is almost 2:15, so he's gonna have a good, like, solid 3-hour nap. Or is he awake? Oh, he might be awake now. We get him in the monitor. Exactly like 3 hours. Like, he never goes over 3 hours. Okay, so I wanted to have lunch, but I didn't know what I wanted for lunch. Actually, I do know what I want. Actually, ooh, I'll have rice. Babe, are you gonna eat these pancakes? It's like, I want pancakes. We're on a diet. We're on a diet. We're on a diet, but we need to, like, live life and celebrate. Right? Right? Either that, or you can have rice with plantain, or rice and stew. And it's just like my main food for the day, because I'll be full for the rest of the day. So I'm trying to think. I'm a savage. Cam is awake. He had a good nap. So now Cam is going to eat. Oh man. I forgot to take out a puree out of the freezer. Where are all my Purell? Oh man, I forgot to take this out of the freezer, so now I have to wait. This is what I was gonna give you. Oh man. Guess we'll just have rice. I have jollof rice for lunch. Mommy made jollof rice for us, so that's what we'll eat. I guess that's it. Jollof rice. Babe, he's calling you. Let me warm up his rice. Let's get a pot. Yeah. Warming up his jollof rice.
I'm too fly, but she catch me like a spider. Deep, deep in her water splashing. Forever and ever. For life, girl, we'll be together. Whatever the weather, my love, girl, I will surrender.
Bad girl with an attitude. Girl, you looking fire in them Jimmy Joes. Know your body is a good food. Chop money out there like a tycoon. Bad beans, you looking kinda saucy.
Alright, so Cam's down for his last nap of the day. So I'm just trying to see if there's anything else he needs to do.
We should be as simple and intuitive as possible. In terms of product design, like we want you to be set up in minutes. We want it to be low maintenance.
Alright, so it's been a good day. Alright, so I moved all of my jackets and hoodies to put into this guest room because this guest room has a lot of closet space so that I can not have to stuff the rest of my hoodies and jackets in there. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff. A lot of hoodies. And then we got new hangers, so I have a lot of these plastic ones now. So that's what I'll use to hang them in here. So hopefully everything fits. It should, but yeah.
Come ride on the wave like a jet ski. Sex drive to the whole tank empty. What's 9 plus 10 equals 20? Come ride on it, don't run from it. Hold me tight and just grind on it. Don't shy from it, just whine on it. Bend your back and push back on it.
My rider, hold me tighter. Boom my head to a sider. I'm too fly, but she catch me like a spider. Deep, deep in her water splashing. Forever and ever. For life, girl.
Morning. Alright, so let me get in here. I just put Cam down for his first nap of the day. First nap of the day. I wanted to, this wig is kind of dry now. It's like 80% dry, so I wanted to try it on and see, you know, how it is, and then I'll probably just blow dry it the rest of the way. And then I think I'm like caught up with like everything, like for real. So I wanted to do, so I've been planning to do like I wanted to do, what was it called, like an Amazon favorites. I think I got everything I wanted to mention. There wasn't even that many things, but all right, so first I got this actually when, and I may have talked about this before, but I'm using it a lot right now, so that's why I kind of brought it back. But I don't know if I mentioned this before or not, but I got this actually when I was getting my hospital bag ready for when I gave birth, and it's a TENS unit, like a dual TENS unit, and I wanted to get it to help with like labor because I was, you know, gonna do a natural birth, but I ended up not even needing to use it. So after I gave birth, I had just like back pain a little bit, and then it kind of went away, and then I feel like it came back. So just back pain, and also like just sometimes like when you're just working on the computer all day and just tense and stuff, I always get like, my neck always gets kind of like cramped and stuff, you know, just basic stuff. And then when you're working, so lately it's been kind of really busy for me, so I feel like I've gotten a lot more, like just more tense. So I've been using my TENS unit a lot more. So this TENS unit, I think it's like $20–30, but it's so powerful for the price that it's like you can't even beat it. So it's like a little thing like this, and then you have it's a dual channel, so you have one channel here and one channel here. You don't have to use both, but sometimes if I have a lot of areas I want to cover, I use both. So one channel, you can put it here, and then it has 2 pads that you can put in 2 different places. And then the pads are like sticky pads, and the stickiness lasts for a long time. I've been using this off and on. Sometimes I sleep with it on, and it's still very, very sticky. And I haven't even used the extra pads that they include. But the main thing about this is that it's so powerful, and it has levels of like intensity. So you can make it like low or high depending on how your pain is. But as I said, this thing, like, I'm so happy that I have it because it's been so good. I told Nky about it, so she just started using hers, and then I let mommy use mine last weekend, and she was like, I need one. So yeah, so this thing is really good if you have any type of pain, back pain, neck pain, leg pain, arm pain. But it's very powerful, and I love how it has levels for intensity. So that I've been using. So I used it last night, and I put like the timer on. You can put like timers on it, like 15, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, you know, but I put on for an hour, and then I just put on my back, and then I just laid in my bed. I was watching a movie, and it felt so good. So that's that. The next couple things are like baby stuff. So I found this book at my local grocery store. I was trying to find like a bedtime book for Cam when we started his like a more detailed bedtime routine. Maybe I will film an updated bedtime routine. Let me know if you're interested in that. But we incorporated like reading a book. So I found this one, and he loved it. Like anytime, like he always anticipates the night reading for before bed, and then when we start reading it, he has a smile on his face. He starts giggling, like he loves this book. So I loved the length of the book. It wasn't too long, wasn't too detailed, you know, for someone that's like less than 1 year old. And the pictures in here are so cute, you know what I mean? Like when I'm reading the book, I can see his eyes like looking at everything in the picture, and he loves it. So it's just like a counting book, going through like the animals' bedtime routines and stuff like that. But I love it so much. It just, as I said, I love like the illustration, you know, just the words. It's just so cute. So when I thought it was time, okay, let me get a new book for him, I was like, okay, let me see if this author has like more of these books, you know. So I looked it up, and this was actually her first book, like her first kids or baby nighttime book. So when I went on Amazon and found this book, it was only this book, as I said, and then there was this book that was just going to be released in like a week or two, so you can pre-order it. So I pre-ordered it, and it's the same author, the same illustrator, so it's similar like with the imagery, but this is like a color book. So it talks about like as the animals are going through their bedtime routine, everyone says their favorite color, and it's like a flip book. So yeah, so when it was released, then they automatically send it to you when you because I pre-ordered it. So yeah, I love it. So I hope that this author comes out with more books. I just love it, you know, like it matches and everything like that. So love it. So that's that. And then so Cam had, I think he had like 2, so yeah, so this is like, so Cam had like 2 bouts of like teething. So one bout was when he was like 3-4 months, when his teething started, and he was drooling a lot, and you know, he needed something for like relief of just biting. So I was looking on Amazon for like a cute teether for him. So when I found this one, I found this teether. It's like a banana, and it actually doubles as like a baby toothbrush because it has bristles on it, if you can see. So I thought the shape was cute because it was a banana, easy to hold. And then I also still did put like a strap on it, because sometimes when we are like taking a walk or like out shopping and he wants this, I like to just clip it onto like his straps on his stroller or like on his car seat, so he can like grab it and like bite it. So now that he's on it, I feel like he's on his second wave of teething, because he's getting like his back teeth and it's pretty bad. Like he really wants to just chew on everything. So I said let me get him a new teether. So I found this one. This is a carrot. This one's like much thicker than the other one, and you know, just something else new for him to like, you know, bite on. And I also put the strap on this too, so that when we do go out I can strap it onto his car seat or his stroller and he'll have it there with him. So yeah, so I just liked how they were like, you know, they're cute, they're safe, and then they're like, you know, shapes of like fruits and vegetables. So I love that. And then this I just discovered. So last time I went grocery shopping, I was trying to find like healthy snacks for myself, because you know, like sometimes during the day when you want to snack on something like chips, but then it's like you're trying to be healthy. So I found a bunch of like low calorie, low sugar, you know, healthy like chippy snacks made out of like chickpeas, hummus, and then this one's cauliflower. So I got this for myself. And then last weekend when we were driving, because I drove up to Northeast Ohio because I worked, and then I brought Kim with me because my mom was going to take care of him while I worked that weekend. So I packed this for myself. And then when we were in the car driving, Cam woke up and I think he wanted a snack, so I couldn't reach for like his snack. So I said, I wonder if he can eat this. So then I ate one. I was like, okay, it's pretty soft, it melts pretty fast. So I handed it to him and he loved it. So he started chomping on these. So now he probably eats a couple of these every day. And they're healthy. They're made out of cauliflower. They're cheddar flavored. They're vegan. Is it vegan? Yeah, vegan, gluten-free. So they're very healthy for kids, even though it wasn't, you know, advertised as like, oh, kids snacks and stuff like that. But I really like it. And I saw that they do carry on Amazon, so that's why I mentioned it. They sell it in packs of 6. So yeah, so I really do like it. Really do like it. And it's very tasty. So. And then last thing I had was these Munchkin Cups. So they're Munchkin 360 cups. If you're a mom and you have kids, you probably definitely know these cups. But I found these. No, so I wanted to get him like this when he started eating solids, because so when he's drinking water while he's eating solids, you'll have like a cup that doesn't spill. So I've seen Nky have these for her kids, so I wanted to get one for Cam. So we got him this 360 cup, and he took him like 5 minutes and he got it. So I was happy that he was able to, you know, catch on to how to use it really fast. As I said, it doesn't spill. You know, they still can learn the motion of like tipping a cup over to drink without spillage and stuff like that. And it has handles for the littler ones, and then they have ones that don't have handles, and they have like taller cups for older kids. So we bought this one first, and then I felt like we needed one for upstairs and one for downstairs, you know, just depending on where we are and stuff like throughout the house. And also at nighttime, we like to keep one in his room at night, because sometimes, you know, if he wakes up at night, he'll like be thirsty, so we'll give him a little bit of water. So we keep this in his room, and then one downstairs for eating. So it's just good to have 2. So after I bought this one, then a couple weeks later I bought the other one. The other one is blue. So yeah, so I love these cups. They're so good, and definitely if you have kids, get them. And then I think that was it for the Amazon things. And then this is like, it's not on Amazon, and I shared this on my Instagram not too long ago on my Insta stories. But my friend from high school, she makes these crafts, like these wood crafts, and she made this for me. So when I saw her making them and she was posting on Facebook, I was like, how much are these? Like, I actually do need one, because it's a Lazy Susan, so it's like a tabletop and it spins and stuff like that. And I did want to get some new decor for our kitchen. So actually I was like, can you make me one of those? I would love to order one. So I ordered one from her, and then she let me customize, you know, like she had like other ones that she's made before. So I just said, yeah, like I like this, I like the name, you know, put like this. You can customize it any way you want. And I asked if you could put the established in 2018. That was our wedding year date. And yeah, so I just wanted to include it because I actually just really appreciated that, you know, like she really made this from scratch. Like, and it's so good. So after I got mine, I was like, why don't you put these on Etsy? You know what I mean? So she actually was in the process of putting them on Etsy. So she does have an Etsy store, so I'll link it down below. But yeah, I just loved it. It's something so personal, like personal for your house. It matches my theme of my kitchen and my decor and everything like that. It's personalized with our last name. You know, it's really good. It has handles. Like, I just loved it. And I was telling her that I was gonna talk about it on my video because I was really blown away of like how beautiful this thing is. So thank you, Hope, for this. And then she makes like door hangers too, like this type of style, but it's for the door to hang on. So yeah, so she has a lot of different types. So if you're interested in, you know, type like home decor or like, you know, just supporting small businesses and stuff like that, handmade crafts, a lot of holiday stuff is coming up, so she makes a lot of holiday decor and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this thing, so I was like, I have to talk about it in my video. So yeah, I love it. So yeah, so we actually keep this on our dinner table, and then we just put like our coasters and hand sanitizer and just a bunch of other stuff, you know, laying around on the table. You just put it on this. So yeah, I love it so much. I love it. All right, so that was my mini Amazon haul. What did I want to do? So let me work on this wig. Yeah, because tomorrow, so I have a new, let me show you guys. I have a new set of mask and head wrap sets that I just put on the site. I love this pattern. So a new mask and head wrap set. So I needed to take a picture of it because I haven't done that yet. So I wanted to do pictures, and I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm trying to see if I should do it tomorrow or today. Sometimes it's just like, if I didn't plan to like do my makeup and like do like pictures for, you know, Instagram business stuff, like it's hard for me to like make myself want to do it. If I'm like, oh wait, maybe I should do this, like I have to literally plan it the day before and like get mentally prepared and stuff. So trying to see if I'm not in the mood to do that today, so I'll plan to do it tomorrow. So but I did want to work on that wig and stuff and other things I need to do. So yeah, but as I said, I'm caught up on a lot of things, so which is good. And I've been like really like going crazy the past couple days because just trying to meet deadlines, do this, do that, design this, submit like a design so they can start being made. So glad that's over. So yeah, I'm trying to like really like make myself like get dressed and do makeup and do that, all that, but we'll see. Let me work on this wig. Kim is up from his nap. He had a 3.5 hour nap. Today was a long nap, but I think it's because he went down for his first nap kind of late, so he was extra tired. But Kim, say hi to the people. Get it on. Okay, anyways. So last time I went grocery shopping, I bought like a ton of bananas, and Chris didn't eat them all, so I'm gonna make banana bread. We have a lot of bananas. So I'm gonna make banana bread. I'm gonna have to try to use the majority of them. I'm gonna make a lot of loaves. I have a loaf, I have a bunt. I wish I had a muffin thing, but all I have is a bunt and loaf. I'll probably do 2 loaves. FedEx, yay! All right, so I'm mashing the bananas. I forget how many I use now. Jeez, I should have counted. But I have quite a lot. I think I have quite a lot. But I'm mashing the banana. Crazy, yeah. So we're working on designing the labels for Nky's hair products. So we have to find someone that does copy with wording and stuff like that. So we got that, and then finalized the logo. So now I have a couple people that I've been talking to design the label. So I have to send them an email message today or tonight, and then we'll try to figure that out. But yep, so things are coming along for NK Naturals. I'm so excited. Yeah. It's done. What you want? What you want?
We'll be together, whatever the weather. My love, I will surrender. Now you be the coco. Give you the condo lock. Me not get time for no go slow. Put the pedal to the metal, 150 in an hour. Tempted to love you, tempted to touch you. Yeah, yeah. Can't live without you, can't do without you. Yeah. Girl, wanna palm me pull, I need palm me slow. Nah. Do it for me now. I know the boy such a stallion, such a stallion. Me get stamina, my rider, hold me tighter. Boom my head to outsider. I'm too fly, but she catch me like a spider. Deep in her water splashing. Forever and ever, for life, girl, we'll be together. Whatever the weather, my love, girl, I will surrender. Ring, call me cellular when you need me. When you need it, ring, ding, for me dormant when you wanna see me. When you wanna see me, ring, call me cellular when you need
Good morning.
me. When you need it.
So we just had breakfast. I'm just doing work on my laptop, and then we'll probably go to a nap in probably like 40 minutes or so. So typical morning. Kim. So today I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping today, later during one of his naps, and then I have to go drop off some stuff to get printed. So it's a typical Monday. It's a typical Monday. So I am heading out for grocery shopping. There's so many kids out playing, it's so cute. Yeah, so I'm out grocery shopping. I just put Cam down for a nap. So it's just me and myself and I. So today's been a really kind of gloomy day, like a day, but I still got a lot of things done to Giant Eagle some other time, but not today. Yeah, so Lawrence's sister, Gochi, she came, her and her husband. Okay, her and her husband, people are like driving really crazy. Her and her husband came this weekend, so it was so fun to just, you know, hang out with somebody else. And then our neighbor, that's Nigerian, they had like a little cookout in their or in their front yard. So we stopped over there for a little bit. Was it a little bit or a lot of it? It was a lot of it. It was like the rest of the night. And then like the guys went out and did more stuff, but Guguch and I just stayed back and hung out, ate ice cream, watched TV on the couch. That's a good night for me. So yeah, so it was a fun weekend. It was nice to just like socialize and stuff like that safely. Luckily all the activities we did there were like outside, so you know, you don't have to be like, you know, so close to people and stuff like that and still stay safe. So it was good. Where am I gonna park? I like to park in this aisle here. Okay, so yeah, so it was a good weekend. Then Chris and I are trying to find somewhere to go that we can drive to. Will I park here? Somewhere that we can drive to from Ohio that's like within like 6 hours, less than 10 hours away. It's a place that's like just nice and vacation-y, that's not too like, you know, involved like a lot of other people and stuff like that. So yeah, we're trying to find a place to go. So you guys have any suggestions on like drivable road trip places that are safe, fun, you know, like family fun kind of thing, sightseeing, you know? Let me know. Some of the ideas we had was to drive to like Tennessee, to go to like Memphis, drive to Arkansas, go to Little Rock, the Carolinas, Michigan. Where else? I wanted to go somewhere where like I'd never really been before, so I've been to Michigan, but yeah, I just wanted to like find like a nice like hotel and resort and like stay there for the weekend, you know, and just chill, like drive around and sightsee, you know, without having to interact with too many people and all that stuff. So yeah, so you guys have any suggestions? And if anyone is doing like staycations and stuff like that, like what did you do, where did you go, you know, just for ideas. And on top of that, trying to plan Kamsi's first birthday party, so I still need to order like party decor and stuff like that, and like finalize the theme and kind of like lay out exactly like what we're doing, what to expect, and like all the elements that we need to like have it successful. So anyways, I'm at the grocery store. I think I'll wear this. I'm gonna wear this mask. Might as well. I always wear this one. I like this one. I have so many masks, like so many like my African print masks, but anytime I leave the house I forget to bring them all. But I have 2 in my bag. I have this one and this one, and then I have a plain one that oh, mommy's calling me. Hello, mommy.
Hello. When you need it, ring ding ding for me dormant. When you wanna see me, when you wanna see me, my Ryder, hold me tighter, boom my ear to a side. I'm too fly, but she catch me like a